Bathymmai TV. Lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha. The Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kan long kesngi sa jingkan mau history jo kan Nongtalang College. Hadian bu menteri katnat puli putih sorkar jela ba lakmen rembui ula plie ya ke yeng building Bathymmai jo kan Nongtalang College kemudian hakirmia Jongyao Nongtalang West Jante Hills District. Hakini kesngi ba lakmen lo plie ru eu mau nong rem ke academic block jo kan Nongtalang College balatei na kebentawan pensa jingkan mau ya uliet John Deng Portman. Bat ke library block jo kan Nongtalang College ban pensa jingkan mau ya uliet Chuidu Lingdo Rat. Uba lakmen ula peliru eu mau nong rem ke administrative building kom auditorium jongka Nongtalang Government Secondary School Nongtalang bat ka science block jongka Nongtalang College. Hakini kejuk kesngi menteri ula penbenaru ya ke jing pentip bala menjur do ulat ke jela bantung noi kai sasangot Nongtalang College nak benta ke commerce stream ke sedang haus nem banwan. Hakini kesngi la sakilang da ke Dr. Soloni Bare Dr. Span Linmi Lapasam, Principal ka Nongtalang College, Dr. Ryan R. Karkongor, Uba HL Giri, Ubalong President jangka Governing Body, Uba H. Nong, Uba Minling Do, Headmaster ka Nongtalang Secondary School, Uba Kemen Merchang, Ubalong Secretary jangka Governing Body, Bat Kipat Ba Nong Shong.
On way this plan to mark the occasion of inauguration of this building. This is the science block built founded on the RUSA 2.0 today. And this is the academic block which we have taken the decision in 2016 that academic block to mark the memory of the founding father of this college, late John Deng Portman. So this academic block named after late John Deng Portman. This also funded by the RUSA 1.0. And this is the library block. This is the same GB meeting which we have taken under my presidency, that the library block will be named after late Chuidu Lingdora, who is the pioneer, inspired the whole village, in spite of not being literate, to have the college here. So we unveil this plan to mark this occasion today. And this is, we have completed the administrative and com auditorium of Nongtalang Secondary School at Nongtalang. So this plan to mark the occasion, we unveil this plan today. Thank you very much.
College building and school building was inaugurated on the same day and also at the same venue, here at Jongyao, Nongtalang. For the information of all, I would like to tell you the ground floor of the academic building. Behind this dais we are sitting was constructed on the MP scheme and UGC scheme. The first floor of the same building and library, that side, was funded by RUSA 1.0 infrastructure grants to the college, while the first floor of the library and science section, that building in front of us was funded under RUSA 2.0 infrastructure grants to the college.
Sarkar ka piyang yang diterwa jangan na education department. Bang sanction sa hotline ligi post. Namanta ka biet hapo tiang nangba college. Namay pa ka MCTE. Kala ay ka primary permission. Namanta bang sang ka 4 years integrated course. BA, BSc, BEd. Hapo tiang nangba. Subject nilalang pagi ng kaya remote nyamot nilalang sa kalay mo. Sabaway, kabang nilaray mo na kane na mantabang doon ka State University, mantabang nila accept naman manswa hado mantabas ni Chancellor Jokta University de Education Staff de mga bagi pakala Bau Chancellor University in the chief. Tay mapimano nag education minister di bala hapo asal sen katnik. Kano tuli building. Banish na. Tinong talk keyboard. Henry, he can talk na nagpatrika. Naroon no kami ka binibil scheme. Balay ka kwarto na nga ship bands pergi aja maksud. Dan ada namjus na yang dikenal dengan primat pray yang kaman kembali. Dan ada makan tu ya bih kena sosna. Bapak dia masuk baku. Ya pion lasai si pimba beklan. Malbang thong dengan along next hari sansen diwan. Ngapa kami iba Nongtalang College kan sang ya ka degree course sa BSc. Kata ka rin thong mo jangan. And I will do it. Kasyong hapi ba? Kasyong hapi mo. Dan kada haran ko. Nakantu bangi de trailer. Kung ni trailer sipot ni na. Mana ba yan? Ang nag-uwero ba yan? Tao mas mutubaw na nagiguna. O tao na yung basta. O tubriyo basmutu palabyan doon. Ito ka mo nagkakaso. Mutual cooperation and mutual adjustment. That is very, very important. And life is sharing of responsibility. Kamasuk Lastly, when it's not no yung sarkar, what is my responsibility? Nalay hatuski, hagipor barir, nado smethliang, halo alumpiang, kirana kirang hasuda. Manta bagway balik na kaskiru kan, pagong tagsnay tumaw, abog yan. Normally, baging done the responsibility. Then kabang tu yapik nas tu kanta then done the responsibility. The governor of Nigeria is pleased to allow for creation of 5 additional teaching posts in the Assistant People's College of Nongtalang College, Western Hills District, in the scale of pay as indicated below. Name of post, lecturer in commerce. Number of posts, 5. Pay level, 5. Orders demarcation business. So this is notification by order of the governor dated 9th of January 2023 for the benefit of the people of this area. Nang komas mo na
Ini ini Bisa minta sekali.
Kan itu library.